Can you believe this, and even this are AI generated? Stop paying for model photoshoots. Here's how to create professional e-commerce images instantly using Google AI Studio. First, write a detailed main prompt for your desired model and aesthetic. Then, use system instructions to tell the AI to act like a professional photographer. Select the frame size you required. Finally, upload your product image. Hit run. In seconds, the AI generates a perfect, ready to use model photoshoot image, saving you time and money. That's AI model magic. You can see how the product details are appeared sharply without any glitch. You can even click here to retry and get something new. Oh, that's awesome. That's such a great creative for ads. It just needs some fine tune, and we can even use this as a meta ads creative, isn't it? For the prompts and Google AI Studio link, you can check out the pinned comment and hit the subscribe button to get notified for such awesome AI things. Alright, that's it for now. This is Deep Patel, your marketing partner, signing off.